Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to show you how you can make money from Google Maps. You can earn $500 to $2,000 just from a single client. Even you can do it on your own, or if you do not want to do it on your own, you can outsource this process for some money and can earn the difference amount. Don't worry, I will guide you all this in a step-by-step manner. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, becoming an entrepreneur, and different digital marketing concepts. So if you are looking for things similar to this concept, then I suggest you to click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video, then don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to make full-time income from home, I have mentioned the link in the description box. That is my most recommended system out there. So just start this video. These are the things I will cover in this video. What is this overall concept and how does this work? How to find local businesses, how to rank on your own, how to outsource. If you do not want to rank on your own, then you can also outsource this process to some other people. I will go you and guide you the different platforms and different people who are giving this service for a reasonable price. So just look at what is this overall concept. Let's move to the Google. If you move to the Google and type dentist Dubai or dentist in Dubai, just I have taken an example, like if you are looking for dentist in New York or dentist in Chicago and dentist in Florida and different places, and apart from dentist there are other people looking for electrician, plumbing, coffee shops, restaurants, hospitals. So they generally type like plumber in London, plumber in New York. So these are all local terms, means these are specific to the local places. So if someone types that term, like just an example, I have written a dentist Dubai, you are now seeing here an ad which is running by this company about advertising its business. And if you move downward after those ads, you can now look at the Google Map listings. You are seeing 3 listings out there, 1, 2 and 3, and with that listing you are seeing the websites and directions and reviews, phone number and office timing as well. If you somehow click on more places, then it will show you more places or more different type of pages in the maps. Just wait a minute, I will going to show you what is included in the more places. So what are the benefits of getting ranking on these 3 spots, or even if the top 5 or 10 spots on the first page of the Google Maps? When people search these things on the Google, they generally contact those businesses who are getting ranking on the first page of the Google. It is a high chance that these 3 businesses or these 3 clinic will get contacted by the people who are searching on the Google. Just like if I need a dentist help, so I just click on these 3 listings and I will contact any of the website and book an appointment for me or my family member. So just like me, people will use the same thing and they will most likely contact these 3 businesses. So what we can do, we can contact different businesses who are back in the Google Maps second or third or even 10th page. We can contact them and we can provide our services that we can boost your business to the top 3 rank or Google Maps first page, so that their business can be seen by different people and they get more calls, more leads and more customers. Don't worry, if you do not know how does this work, then I will guide you all this in a step-by-step manner. So I know you get an idea about how does this system work. Our task is just to choose a keyword like dentist in Dubai, dentist in New York, dentist in New Jersey and different places, or plumber or something like that, and we need to find businesses who are residing on the second or third or even 10th page of the Google Maps, and we need to contact those businesses and ask them or provide our services to move their business to the Google Maps first page or Google first page. So what this benefit to them? People will type keywords on the Google, and businesses who comes first on the Google, they will generally contact those businesses, book an appointment, and they will generate money. So what those businesses do, they will offer us some money, or we can just provide them a guesswork that I will charge $500 to $1,000 just your businesses to move from Google page map page 3 to 1. So $500 per month or $1,000 per month for a dentist businesses are like peanuts. So they definitely offer this service to you, and you can use some strategy and you can easily rank their businesses on the Google first page. Our next slide is how you can find local businesses. Just similar to this, like dentist Dubai, if you just move to more places, and now you will open up a Google Maps, and these are all search terms appearing in the Google Maps option, and these are the ads that are running on the Google Maps, and after ads now you are seeing those organic listings. Just move downward and you will see that all these businesses have different reviews and all the stuff like that. And now these are the pages in the Google Maps. If you just move to the page 2, again search for the businesses, like I'm just going to show you, wait a minute. So I have just opened up a Google 10 page, and this is the business like Health Bay Dental Clinic. As you are seeing that there is no review, and what we can do, we can just click on this business website, and we can contact with the business owner. Just click on the contact us page, and there is an email address and fax number, and there are other details out there. Just write them an email, and you can just take a screenshot of this, like just take a screenshot, and you can just ask them that your business is residing at the 10th page of the Google Maps, and that's why you are not getting any calls or leads from the Google, and we as a specialist, or we as an expert in this business, we could rank your business at the top of the Google Maps, and this is how you could get more leads, more calls, and more customers. And once you convince your the business owner, he will definitely contact with you and ask for the more information and the money, and you can just give them more information. Definitely he will ask about your expertise and which platform they can use to mutually contact with each other, and they will ask for your experience as well. This is how you can contact with different people or different businesses on a routine basis, and out of 10 businesses you will contact on a daily basis, definitely 3 to 5 businesses will contact with you in a reply that you have already sent an email to them. Now let's move to our next slide, how to rank on your own. If you are just looking for the information about how does those businesses get the top rank on the Google Maps, just want to show you a simple method here, and it is not something like that on the SEO like you are ranking post on the Google, that would require a lot of things like backlinks, on page SEO, off page SEO, site speed, and something like that. But in Google Maps you could rank those terms much easier than compared to the Google itself. Just like getting these organic listing just like getting these organic results is more difficult than getting results on the Google Maps. What these businesses do in order to rank, they will generally get links from citations. What are citations? Citation is generally your business listing on local directories. If you just look at for different local directory sites like local directories USA, you would know seeing different local directories like Google local places, Yelp, Bing local, and these are different citations or local businesses out there. What these businesses do, they get citations from those local directories, and as a result Google boost up their businesses on the google.com and on the googlemaps.com. What we can also do, we can just take the order, like I have already shown you how you can convince those businesses, and if he get convinced, he will contact you and you can start your work. Just move to or find those local businesses, and that businesses will give you the their business information, pictures and telephone numbers and something like that. And once you move on those local sites, you can just create local directory there, local citation there, and that's all. The more number of citation you create for that business owner, the better or the quicker it would boost up in the Google Maps. I hope you get this concept. If you do not want to do it on your own, I suggest you to move to the Fiverr.com and just type Google Map ranking or Google local rankings. If you just move downward, as you are seeing different gigs out there, I will Google Maps Stacking Boost Map Ranking. So for $30, this guy is helping you to rank your local business. Just move downward, just look for the businesses or just look for the gig which has the most positive reviews. Just look at this, 999 reviews. I will do quality Google Map local SEO citation for $25. And so there are tons of people who are selling these services. Just look at this. For $195, I will be your monthly local SEO agency for Google Maps. You can just contact with this person, and after getting order, you can just ask them how much time you will take for ranking this business in the Google Maps. He will just give you an idea and the amount, and like $195, $300 and $400. So at most it will charge you $400, and you can easily contact with the business owner and you can charge them $500 to $2,000 depending upon the competition. If you are competing with the most, if you are looking for the most competitive terms like dentist in New York and something like a plumber in New York, so these are the most competitive industry, and for most competitive terms you can charge up to $1,000 a month. But for the businesses who are looking who are working in a less competitive area, you can just charge $300 or $500 per month. After charging those businesses, you can just ask those people and they will give you the monthly reporting, like how much citations they have created for your local business and you can easily send that list to your business owner and just convince them what work you have done in the last 30 days. And with the passage of time, like after 20 to 30 days, you will start seeing improvement in the local business listing in the Google Maps. Even you could find more gigs out there. Just so at start you may find it difficult, but with the right people and working with the right people, you can just increase or you can speed up this process. Even if you do not want to work on the Fiverr, there is another platform, that is whitespark.ca, and this website will help you to create local citation finder, reputation builder, and local rank tracker. So these citation building, we score hundreds of high quality opportunities submitted by hand to build powerful consistent citation with a quick turnaround time. You can just give an order to this place and they will build local citation for you. So I hope you get an idea. If you want to do it on your own, you can create those citations for yourself, but it is time consuming. That's why I suggest you to move to the Fiverr and Whitespark and places like these, where people are already doing these services and they know how to get quicker citations or quality citations at a cheaper price. Just contact them and build citations for your local businesses, and that is how their businesses could get rank on the Google, and you can make tons of money. Even you can get $500 order per month, and generally you could rank those local business in 1 to 2 months, but you can charge them for 3 months or 4 months depending upon your conversation with that business owner. Even you can fix the price like $2,000, and for $2,000 you can just move to the Fiverr and book a person like in $400 or $500, and they will going to rank that local business in the Google SERPs. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.